Crash Course, Easter Island, Chile's enigmatic gem. Easter Island, known as Rapa Nui in the local language, is a remote and captivating island located in the southeastern Pacific Ocean. This tiny dot of land holds a mysterious allure, with its iconic Moai statues, ancient ruins, and unique Polynesian culture. In this crash course, we will embark on a journey to explore the captivating history, fascinating stories, and top 12 attractions of Easter Island. 1. The Enigma of the Moai. The most iconic feature of Easter Island is undoubtedly the Moai statues. These massive stone figures, carved by the Rapa Nui people, stand as silent sentinels watching over the island. The mystery surrounding their construction and transportation has intrigued historians and archaeologists for centuries. 2. The Ahu Platforms. The Moai statues were placed on ceremonial platforms called Ahu. These platforms, made of carefully stacked stones, served as sacred sites for the Rapa Nui people and are scattered across the island. 3. The Quarry of Rano Raraku. The Rano Raraku Quarry is the birthplace of the Moai. It is a volcanic crater where the ancient Rapa Nui people carved and sculpted the stone figures. Today, visitors can witness the unfinished statues and gain insights into the carving process. 4. Ahu Tongariki. Ahu Tongariki is the largest and most impressive Ahu on Easter Island. It features 15 restored Moai standing tall against the backdrop of the ocean, creating a truly awe-inspiring sight. 5. The Moai at Ahu Akivi. Unlike most Ahu, which are located along the coast, Ahu Akivi is unique as it stands inland. This site features 7 Moai statues, all facing the ocean, and is believed to hold astronomical significance. 6. Anakina Beach. Anakina Beach is a picturesque white sandy beach framed by coconut palm trees. It is not only a place of natural beauty but also home to several Ahu and Moai, including the impressive Ahu Nau Nau. 7. Rano Ka'u. Rano Ka'u is a volcanic crater that offers breathtaking panoramic views of Easter Island. It is also home to the ceremonial village of Orongo, where the famous Birdman competition took place. 8. Orongo and the Birdman cult. The Birdman cult was an important religious and social practice of the Rapa Nui people. Orongo, perched on the edge of Rano Ka'u, was the center of this fascinating tradition. 9. Ahu Vinapu. Ahu Vinapu is known for its impressive stonework, which is reminiscent of the ancient Inca architecture found in South America. Its precise stone fitting has puzzled archaeologists and sparked theories about cultural connections. 10. Ahu Te Pito Kura. Ahu Te Pito Kura is home to one of the largest Moai on the island, known as Paro. It is also famous for the presence of a magnetic stone called Te Pito o Te Henua, believed to hold spiritual energy. 11. The Petroglyphs of Papavaca. The Papavaca petroglyphs are a collection of rock carvings depicting various symbols and motifs. These enigmatic designs offer insights into the ancient beliefs and artistic expressions of the Rapa Nui people. 12. Exploring Hangaroa. Hangaroa is the main town and gateway to Easter Island. It offers a range of amenities, including accommodations, restaurants, and shops, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the island's modern-day culture. Summarization. Easter Island, with its enigmatic Moai statues, ancient ruins, and captivating history, is a destination that ignites curiosity and wonder. The island's remote location and unique Polynesian culture make it a truly remarkable place to explore. From the mysterious quarry of Rano Raraku to the stunning Ahu platforms and the scenic beauty of Anakina Beach, Easter Island offers a wealth of attractions that showcase its rich heritage. Whether you're fascinated by ancient civilizations or seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure, Easter Island is sure to leave an indelible impression. Poem. On Easter Island's rugged shore, the Moai statues stand, evermore. A mystery carved in stone. Ancient whispers, the island's own. In Rano Raraku's volcanic womb, the Moai took shape, dispelling gloom. Their solemn gaze, a timeless art, capturing history's beating heart. Ahu Tongariki, a grand display. 15 Moai rising, come what may. A testament to the island's might. Greeting the sun, bathed in golden light. Anakina Beach, a tropical dream, where Moai stand by the azure gleam. Coconut palms sway in gentle breeze. Echoes of ancient harmonies. Rano Ka'u's crater, a panoramic sight. Orongo's tail, the birdman's flight. Ahu Vinapu's enigmatic walls. A connection beyond time's halls. Te Pito Kura, Paro's grandeur. Ahu Te Pito Kura, a spiritual allure. Papavaka's petroglyphs, stories untold. Ancient symbols etched in gold. In Hangaroa, modern rhythms blend. A gateway to the island, a welcoming friend. Easter Island's enchanting call. Echoes through time, embracing all. Song. Verse 1. On Easter Island's sacred ground. A story whispered without a sound. The Moai stand, majestic and tall. Guarding secrets, known to all. Chorus. Easter Island's ancient charm. Where legends rise and mysteries disarm. From Rano Waraku to Anakina's shore. A journey into the past we explore. Verse 2. Ahu Tongariki, a sight to behold. Silent guardians, strong and bold. Rano Kau's crater, a view so grand. Unveiling tales of a forgotten land. Bridge. In Hangaroa, life unfolds. Where modern rhythms blend with stories old. Easter Island spirit, forever strong. A timeless melody, an ancient song. Chorus. Easter Island's ancient charm. Where legends rise and mysteries disarm. From Rano Waraku to Anakina's shore. A journey into the past we explore. Outro. Let Easter Island's wonders ignite. A sense of awe, a traveler's delight. Explore the island's history profound. In every Moai, a story is found. *****. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 equals 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.